How do I look? Okay. Hello. Hi, how you doing? Okay, I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. Can I call you later? Recording right now. Okay, good. Take care. Bye. They sound pretty good. Very good. Here's Tommy. Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing great. Today we'll be doing yet another product unboxing. We'll be opening up the Vue Smart Glasses. Let's start. Okay. This product started on 2016. People have been waiting for years to get this product. Okay. Your better every day starts today. Not a bad model. Okay. Vue logo. It comes with glasses, charging case, lens cloth, and USB-C cable. Okay. Case is, whoa, a little big. Let's see them. Ooh, nice. Nice. Let's see what's in the box. Okay. We got a cloth with the Vue logo on it. There's a USB Type-C cable. And the instructions. Let's read them real fast. Okay. It should automatically turn on. Okay, once open. Touch panel is on the right side. Single tap, swipe, and double tap. That's the functions we have. Okay. It has some nose strips on it. Good. Okay. They look good. I show some brown with wood on it. They look decent. They do look a little plasticky, but let's see if they're any good. Let's remove the sticker. Okay. Let's put it over here. Let's do the pairing. Since I'm recording with my phone, I will have to come back after I pair it. Okay, for the specs, not so much. You have around 4 or 5 hours of play on this, but with the charging case, you can charge it up to two to 3 times. Okay, let's try it. Of course, I moved 0 steps. I'm sitting down. Okay, for being able to play music for 4 to 5 hours, they are pretty slim for the amount of technology that this has on it. So I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. They look good. They feel good. Probably a little clunky. They're not as slim as regular glasses, but they don't feel bad at all on your face. They're just glasses with which you can hear and talk with people and hear music, and it'll tell you what you've done through the day. I think they look good. I can see great with them. I order mine with transition lenses, so I should be able to see fairly good under the sun. And what else can I say? They look good. I've tried some music on it. They sound okay. They don't sound very loud. I'm not expecting anything, any perfect sound, since these are bone conducting sound. So it's fairly good for what it is. I tried it on noisy environments. I'm not able to hear a thing, but there's a hack for that. I have my true wireless headphones. I just have my glasses on, either one or the 2 earphones on my ears, and that should make it sound perfect. Since you have your ears plugged, you can hear everything around inside your head. Then it sounds amazing. It sounds just perfect. But that's the drawback of having bone conduction. It's actually a good product. I'll be using it for a while, and let's see how it goes. But they're good. They're nice. And nobody would even tell that I'm wearing headphones.
If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified of my new video.
Stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace. I look good.